Hey you guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making aloo gobi, and this is inspired by the Indian coming of age movie, Bend It Like Beckham, which I watched growing up. And if you've seen the movie, you'll know that Jess's mom was really particular about Jess learning how to cook Indian food, and most importantly, aloo gobi, the curry prepared with potatoes and cauliflower. Now this recipe comes together really simply. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's so delicious paired with rotis, chapatis, and even puris. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click that info box under the video and everything you need is there. Let's make some aloo gobi. So let's get cracking on this aloo gobi. I have a pan here that's on medium heat, and we're gonna start by tempering off some cumin. So I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to my pan, and to it, I'm gonna add the cumin seeds. Now it's gonna take about 10 to 15 seconds for them to crackle and get nice and fragrant. In go my onions. We're gonna saute these off until they become nice and translucent and slightly golden. Up next, ginger, garlic, and 2 Thai chilies that I've split lengthwise. They're not gonna take too long in the pan at all. You just want them to become nice and fragrant. Spices galore. Beautiful golden turmeric, red chili for heat, as well as some citrusy coriander, and we're gonna let them infuse into the oil for a few seconds. Now, to add a little bit of acidity to our curry, we're adding in tomatoes, and we want to cook down the tomatoes until they become nice and jammy in consistency. Up next, the stars of the show, chopped cauliflower and potatoes, and you want to give them a nice mix until they're well covered in that beautiful spiced tomato oil. In with a little bit of water, a touch of salt to season, and on with the lid, and we're gonna let this mixture cook for about 10 minutes until the vegetables soften up. Now I'm gonna take the lid off, and we're gonna continue cooking this on high heat until the vegetables get charred on the outside. Now off the heat, I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of chopped coriander, and just like that, our aloo gobi is done. And our aloo gobi is done, you guys. All it took was 15 minutes. This pan smells amazing. I'm gonna grab a little bit of potato, a little bit of cauliflower as well. Ooh, hang on to my fork. Let's give it a taste. The first thing that I get is the beautiful contrast and textures between the potato and the cauliflower. The potato is fluffy, tender, literally disintegrates in your mouth, and the cauliflower still has a little bit of bite, a little bit of crispness, and those two together are sensational, paired with that beautiful spiced tomato oil. Oh my gosh, the combination of spices on this one, you guys. This curry is not spicy at all. It just has a hint of heat, and that citrusy coriander, those crispy cumin seeds, it's a winner. Pair this with some rotis, chapatis, what else can you pair them with? Puris, and you're in business. Aloo gobi a la Bend It Like Beckham. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye. You've watched Bend It Like Beckham, right? Do you remember the part where Joe comes to Jess's house and he's in the white shirt? That was a moment.